Probi to me means being a part of a team of experts around probiotics. Everyone has a microbiome, and being part of a team that is a leader in research and clinical studies and is able to put together concepts that support the health and well-being of others is something that's very meaningful to me. I really enjoy being part of a team that is global and that collaborates and that makes a positive impact on so many.
Probi means the welfare of everyone around us. We're doing things to help people around us. We are doing things to teach each other. I can take what I learned at my workplace, outside of my workplace, and apply it and do great things. And I'm very excited to come to work.
When I heard about Probi, I think about people and probiotics. Probi is a dynamic company dedicated to probiotic research and delivers effective and well-documented probiotics to the public, working with all the experts from different functions within the company provides me a good learning and interpersonal development opportunity.
To me, Probi means basically the future of scientific endeavors towards the probiotic market and all the health benefits and positives that brings to human health in our everyday life.
To the whole different world, that's for sure. And it's crazy to impact people's lives too with just probiotics.
What Probi means for me is our products, which I daily use, all quality analysis we do on our products, but even people I work with.
Probi means to me family. I enjoy working here. I like management. I like coming in and telling everybody hi. I like the benefits in Probi. They have very good benefits. And I like working here.
Probi means to me is I like the 3-day weekends. I like the PTO. I also like the people that I work for and the people that I'm around. It's nice to come in and actually not worry. You just work and have fun.
We work hard so that we can accomplish the customers' needs and fulfill their goals.